It is my great pleasure to welcome you back to another interesting class of our China importation without using agents. In this part of the training, you are going to learn step by step on how you can fund your Alipay Tourcard step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, as you guys know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement agent, an importer and importation coach. If you want to have a business consultation with me, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business. So with that being said, so let's dive into tutorial and see how you can fund your Alipay Tourcard, and then let's get started. So first thing first, you have to head over to your Alipay right here. As you know that Alipay Tourcard is part of Alipay service, okay? So we have to go through Alipay app, okay? Then the next thing you need to do, in some cases, if you see Alipay Tourcard, there is no panic about that, okay? But in some Alipay, you may not see Alipay Tourcard. So what you need to do, just come to the search engine right here. Then when you come to the search engine, just type in Tourcard. If you don't want to go through Alipay Tourcard, it's still the same steps, okay? So once you search for Tourcard, you're going to see it right here. So just click on that. Or if you see Alipay Tourcard, you can still follow the same process to access the app. So once you click on Alipay Tourcard, it takes you right here. If you use Alipay Tourcard, it's still going to take you here. Just follow the steps, okay? Or you just type in Alipay Tourcard, then you're going to find yourself right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on enter. Boom. So you're going to enter the Alipay Tourcard. Now, for you to fund this account, you can use MasterCard or Visa card, American Express. So let me quickly show you the card formats that this particular app accepts. So for you to know what card you can use to fund your Alipay Tourcard, you can tap on here, and then you are going to see the FAQ. Then take you right here. Then you need to click on supported bank card. So this gives you the type of card that you can use to fund the account. So you can see the card that you can use right here. Visa card is accepted, MasterCard accepted, Diners Club, International, JCB card, and American Express. So these are the card type that you can use to fund the Tourcard. So let's go back to the Tourcard page. So for you to fund your Tourcard, you just have to click on use now right here. So you have to click on use now. So it's going to load up. So once you click on use now, it takes you to this page, and then right here you have 3 stages to go before you get to a payment funded successful. The first stage is verify info. The second stage is to selected amount you want to fund your account with, while the last stage is payment. So right here you have to click on here to start from the first stage. So the first stage has to do with info verified. So you have to tap on that. When you tap on that, it's going to load up, and this is where you need to submit your information about your country, your name, and nationality. So I'm going to scroll down right here and look for my country. So for every country that can use Alipay Tourcard, you will definitely see your country here. But if your country is not here, it simply means that your country is not in support of Alipay Tourcard. So here's my country. So I'm going to select it right here. After choosing your country, you'll be asked to enter your phone number, okay? So you have to enter your mobile number, and the number must be available to you because they are going to send a verification code to the number. After entering your phone number, you have to click on send code. So my code is here, 625535. 625535. So once you enter your code, then you click on next. All right, so the next stage right here, this is where you need to upload your passport photo. You can see instruction right here. So this is how your passport should look, okay? Then once you get to this stage, the next thing you need to do, so at this stage here, you can see instruction right here. Place your passport on a flat surface, then take a photo of the info page. So they only need the data page of your passport, okay? And then for you to do that, just click on take a photo. So after you click on take a photo, and you're going to see the instruction. So take a look at the format. This is the information they need from your passport. Okay, so you have to follow this information, otherwise they are going to reject it. So you can see the one they are not going to accept. This one right here is not correct. This one too not correct. This one too not correct. And this is the correct format you need to follow. Once you understand, you click on got it.